Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to take chip and PIN card payments on PayPal. Accepting chip and PIN payments is a fast and secure way to get paid in person. With a compatible PayPal card reader, you can accept contactless cards, chip and PIN cards, mobile wallets like Apple Pay and Google Pay, and other supported payment methods. This helps speed up checkout while giving your customers a safe and convenient way to pay. Now let's get started. First, make sure you have a PayPal business account and a compatible PayPal card reader. Now turn on your card reader and connect it to your phone or tablet using the PayPal Zettle app. Then open the app and enter the amount you want to charge. After that, tap Charge or Take Payment. Now ask your customer to insert their chip card into the card reader. Then have them enter their PIN on the keypad if prompted. If the card supports contactless payments, the customer can also tap their card or use a digital wallet instead. After that, wait for the payment to be approved. Now provide the customer with a digital or printed receipt if they request one. Finally, check the transaction in your PayPal or PayPal Zettle account to confirm that the payment was successful. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.